Hi kids, I'm your coding instructor Meera. Today we will be doing a broadcast topic. So let's get started. So in this project what we'll be doing first, I'm deleting the sprite and I'll add 3 sprites here. One is Abby, one is Danny and one is Princess. First of all let me add it with Princess. Okay, I'm gonna add Danny here. Alright, I'm gonna resize them because it's bigger, so let's just simply make it size 50 for Abby as well and for Danny as well. Let's make Abby bit bigger because it's too small, that's why. 70. Alright, now I'm gonna set some backdrop. For example, I'm setting the first of all a jungle backdrop, and here it is. Okay, so first what happens, Princess is going to ask to Abby. Okay, so we're going to apply one green flag clicked. Princess will say hello to Abby. Okay, so we're gonna add looks. We'll be adding here hello Abby for 2 seconds. Okay, and after that again it is going to ask to Abby that let's go to the city. Okay, let's go to the city. Alright, then we'll be adding here a broadcast as well. So broadcast means what? It is just going to send a message to other sprite. Okay, it's like that. So here I'm going to add a message, broadcast message. I'm just adding 1. Okay, now here I'll switch thing to Abby. Now again for Abby we are adding one green flag is clicked. After waiting for 3 seconds, Abby is going to respond Princess message. But hey Princess. And whenever Abby is receiving broadcast 1, okay, what happened? It is going to say a message like I love this beautiful place. I love this beautiful place. Alright, but for that here we're gonna change the backdrop to city. Okay, I'm just adding here switching backdrop to city. Let me add the backdrop here. I'm just adding a backdrop here, city. Alright, so here we'll be adding switch backdrop to colorful city broadcast 1. Okay, then whenever Danny is receiving the message, when Danny will receive message, Danny will say welcome. Okay, Danny will be there already, so one by one messages will be sent to all the sprites one by one. Okay, so here waiting for 3 seconds, Danny is going to respond. Alright everybody, let's set it out how it works. First Abby is going to say hello Abby, then Abby will say this is beautiful place, and then Danny will reply like welcome. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this project. See you in the next lesson with more interesting project. Okay, bye.